Hello, everyone. My name is Jude. I'm co founder CEO of Getequity. Getequity is democratizing access to venture capital. At Getequity, we believe venture capital ecosystem is broken. And in emerging and frontier markets, which is our major focus, it's almost non-existent for many reasons. One of them is illiquidity in venture capital. Venture capital still being a very high risk investment, timing to ROI. Founders and also even employees are usually paper rich till an exit. And on the aspect of employees, most times they may actually end up in spending quite a bit of funds to vest or to exercise already vested shares, funds which they do not have in the first place. Now, the solution, which is Get Equity, we're a data driven platform. We help founders to raise capital and manage their shareholder structure while helping retail investors and first time fund managers to find the right deals and receive ROI. We provide a suite of infrastructure that in which we're basically referred to as an operating system for venture capital. Now we provide family office infrastructure, on-demand SPV management and setup, syndicate management, early stage investment deals, and secondary exits. We also provide public and private fundraising infrastructure, a community-driven API investment API basically, shareholder management infrastructure. In 2021 alone, there was $57 billion invested in the VC market, over 9,000 deals. Our focus for that is about 30% businesses. Our competition is quite simple. We have some of the largest venture companies in the world, like AngelList, WeFunder, and Republic. But what we see is that they're usually tailored towards developed markets. Now, because we're tailored towards evolving and frontier markets, one of the major things or one of the major factors that you see in this case is that we have to not just do as much, we have to do a lot more than many of these companies do, with the focus on not just one angle of venture capital, but all angles of venture capital. Our traction in the past 16 months, we've had over $1.5 million invested in about 40 companies. We have about 12,000 users on the platform. These users include both businesses and retail users as well. We have about an MRR of about $26,000. Our total our total revenue stands at somewhere over 300,000 US, with about 270,000 of that made this year alone so far in the past 10 months. We're currently present in 27 countries with plans to expand to Egypt, South Africa, and Dubai at the first quarter of next year. Our business model is quite simple. We take a 5.5% commission on fundraisers, a 1% transaction fee to the investors, and a 2 to 3% currency spread. We also charge a 3% per user per company on shareholder management and customized fees for an SPV and fund setup. Our revenue is forecasted to grow to about $23 million by 2025. We should hit profitability at about next year with a total revenue of about $1.5 million. Right now, we are still on track to hit a little bit over $500,000 at the end of the year. We still have about $300,000 in the pipeline. Our go-to-market strategy is quite simple. We have growth partnerships on our B2C side for startups who are listed on Get Equity platform. And we also have liquidity partnerships for credit on shareholder management, for also stock option management platform, and on our secondary trade. My team is made up of 27 people, full-time and consultants across three different three different parts of Africa. I myself am someone who spent quite a little bit of time in the engineering landscape. Temitope, my co-founder, is growth and ops, and Thomas is growth and partnerships, and Thomason leads operations. Thank you very much.